Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find k value. Solution: k plus 2 equal to k minus 2. Here we are going to take square on both sides. So k plus 2 whole square equal to k minus 2 whole square. Here we are going to apply this algebra formula that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This algebra formula for left hand side. This is a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. This formula in right hand side. So we'll get here k square plus 2 square plus 2 times k is a, b is 2 equal to right hand side this formula. So k square plus b square is 2 square minus 2 times k 2. Now k square plus this 2 power 2 is 4 plus this 2 times 2 is 4k equal to this k square plus here right hand side 2 square is 4 minus this is 2 times 2 is 4k. Now k square plus 4 plus 4k. Now moving this left hand side, so k square minus 4, this minus 4k will be in left hand side is a plus 4k equal to 0. Now here k square, rearranging this, moving this to here, minus k square, for this plus 4, this is negative 4. Now we have here this 4k, again this plus 4k equal to 0. Now this cancels this, which means k square minus k square is 0. Here also 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is 0 plus 0 plus this is 4k plus 4k is 8k equal to 0. Now we have here left hand side 8k equal to 0. Now we are going to divide by 8 on both sides. So right hand side 8. This 8 cancels this. So here we have 0. So here k equal to 0. This is the value we found in first method. Now we are going to verify this k value with given equation. K plus 2 equal to k minus 2. Here the k value is 0. Applying this here, so 0 plus 2 equal to 0 minus 2 in right hand side. Here looking this, 0 plus 2 is 2. Right hand side 0 minus 2 is negative 2. So 2 is not equal to minus 2. So here this is not a solution. Now we are going to try this in other method, that method 2. Here k plus 2 equal to k minus 2. In this method, we are moving this k left hand side. So k plus 2 minus k equal to minus 2. Here k minus k plus 2 equal to minus 2. Here this cancels each other. So 0 plus 2 equal to negative 2. So here 2 equal to minus 2. Here also 2 is not equal to negative 2. So solution is not